To use Afterpay on StockX, start by creating an account on the StockX website or mobile app. Once you have an account, browse the platform for the item you want to purchase and add it to your cart. When you are ready to check out, select Afterpay as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Afterpay website where you can create an Afterpay account or log in to your existing one. Afterpay will then prompt you to enter your payment information and confirm the purchase. Afterpay allows you to split your purchase into 4 equal payments, due every 2 weeks. The first payment is due at the time of purchase, and the remaining 3 payments will be automatically deducted from your account every 2 weeks. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. Afterpay will send you reminders before each payment is due, so you can ensure you have sufficient funds in your account. When using Afterpay on StockX, keep in mind that you will still be subject to StockX's return and refund policies. If you need to return an item, contact StockX customer support, and they will guide you through the process. Afterpay will also continue to charge you for the item until the return is processed and the refund is issued. Once the refund is issued, Afterpay will cancel any remaining payments and refund any payments you have already made. To get the most out of using Afterpay on StockX, make sure to only purchase what you can afford, and make timely payments to avoid any additional fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Afterpay on StockX to purchase the items you want while splitting the cost into manageable payments.